How often should you bathe your cat? Welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring a question that many cat guardians ask themselves at some point. How often should cats be bathed? It's a common concern, especially for new pet parents or those who've just adopted a fluffy little tornado into their home. And while it may seem like a straightforward question, the answer really depends on the cat, their lifestyle, their coat type, their habits, and even their attitude toward cleanliness. Let's begin with this comforting fact. Cats are naturally self-cleaning. Unlike dogs, most cats spend a large portion of their day grooming themselves. Their tongues are like little brushes, designed specifically for detangling and removing dirt. They don't just do this for hygiene. Grooming also helps with body temperature regulation, stress relief, and scent control. In other words, most cats already come equipped with their own built-in cleaning system. Now, in general, short-haired indoor cats that stay away from messes may never actually need a full bath in their entire lives. Their daily grooming routines often do a better job than any human attempt at scrubbing them down. However, there are exceptions. There are certain situations when bathing becomes necessary, and not just for appearances. Here are a few. Skin conditions. If a cat has a skin infection, flea allergy, or fungal issue, medicated shampoos may be prescribed by a vet. Messy accidents. If a cat accidentally soils themselves, gets into sticky substances, or rolls in something questionable, a bath is unavoidable. Long-haired breeds. Cats with long or dense coats may struggle to reach every area effectively and are more prone to matting, especially if they're older or less flexible. Training from kittenhood. If a cat is introduced to water in kittenhood, occasional baths are much less stressful later in life, making it wise to start early, even if it's not frequently needed. So, what's the general recommendation? Short-haired indoor cats. Once or twice a year, if at all. Long-haired cats. About 4 to 6 times a year, depending on coat condition, climate, and shedding. Outdoor cats. Depending on what they're exposed to, bathing may be more frequent, especially if they return home with grease, paint, or pests. Senior cats or overweight cats. These cats may not groom themselves effectively and could benefit from gentle assistance, especially around hard-to-reach areas. But it's important not to overdo it. Excessive bathing can backfire. Each time a cat is bathed, natural oils on their skin are stripped away. These oils are essential for keeping their skin hydrated and their coat glossy. If these oils are removed too often, it can lead to dry skin, itchiness, flakiness, and even fungal infections in some cases. So here's a good rule of thumb. If the cat looks clean, smells fine, and is grooming regularly, let them be. There's no need to interrupt their self-care routine with a surprise splash party. Of course, bathing a cat isn't just about water and soap. It's also about stress. For many cats, the sound of running water, the feel of being held down, and the unfamiliar scent of shampoo can be deeply upsetting. That's why it's essential to handle bath time with care. Use warm water, never hot. Keep this session short and calm. Only use cat-safe shampoos, never human products. Dry the cat thoroughly and gently. Always reward with a treat or some soothing petting afterward. For cats that simply cannot tolerate bathing, alternatives like grooming wipes, dry shampoos, or professional groomers with feline handling experience may be better options. It's also worth noting that bathing isn't the only grooming need cats have. Regular brushing is just as important, especially for long-haired cats, to reduce shedding, prevent tangles, and remove debris. A few minutes of brushing each day can go a long way in minimizing the need for full baths. In summary, bathing is not a routine requirement for most cats. It's more of a case-by-case situation, depending on coat type, health condition, age, and cleanliness habits. The key is observation. Understanding a cat's grooming habits, coat needs, and comfort level will tell you when or if a bath is really necessary. And as with anything involving cats, patience and gentleness are essential. After all, a calm cat is a clean cat, and a clean cat is a happy one. Thanks for spending time learning with us. For more helpful tips on cat care and behavior, be sure to subscribe and join us next time for more feline wisdom straight from the whiskers to your screen.